Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or batch file. To check the error, open the command prompt console from the search. You will run any command such as ping to detect the error. Now in the search box, enter variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the pop-up window, click on Environment Variables. After this, in the System Variables section, select the path line. Click Edit. Then, click New and you will enter each of the lines that we left you in the video description. You are going to enter one by one and they are essential for the command to be recognized in Windows. When you have entered them, click OK, close the window. To check that we have solved the error, open the console again. When you run the command, you can see that it is carried out without failures. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.